Welcome to We're Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of February 13th, 2022, Part 2. This week's theme is Valentine's Day. Love from the Crayons by Drew Daywalt, illustrated by Oliver Jeffers. Love is red because love comes in all shapes and sizes. Love is purple because love has its own imagination. Love is brown because love is sweet like chocolate. Love is gray because love can be small and soft or big and strong. Love is white because sometimes love is hard to see. Love is green because love is helpful. Love is yellow and orange because love is sunny and warm. Love is blue because sometimes love is stormy. Love is pink because love can be silly. Love is peach because sometimes love can hide. Love is black because love isn't always bright and colorful. Love is every color. The end. We're going to make a dot painted heart. So your craft to go kit includes a heart and a cotton ball and a clothespin. Now if you want, you can use a brown sponge or a dot painter to do this instead, but we're just going to use this because it's easiest. And then you'll just need some paint, and I just went ahead and did the rainbows because we used all the colors in the book. All you're going to do is carefully dip it in there and then just dot it on. Now you can really get good and cover the whole thing with paint. Overlap everything. Or you can do it spaced out like I'm doing. It's just supposed to look cute. And that's all there is to it. A dot painted heart.